AMP cost most certainly equivalent to $0.0037 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0037 0.0038, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.0037 in a significant way. The change especially was 0.0000%, which by and large is very huge. Converse rate, USD to AMP in a genuinely huge way. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. AMP cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $0.0038, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.0041, sort of least 0.0035 in an extremely significant manner. AMP gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.0037, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.0040, truly least 0.0034 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.0038, genuinely most extreme 0.0041, sort of least 0.0035 in an unpretentious way. AMP conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.0039, genuinely most extreme 0.0042, really least 0.0036, exhibiting how MP cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $0.0038, genuinely greatest 0.0041, genuinely least 0.0035 and in every practical sense, significant way. AMP cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $0.0039, most certainly greatest 0.0042, truly least 0.0036, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In multi-week AMP conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost $0.0037, truly most extreme 0.0040, genuinely least 0.0034, or so they sort of thought. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.0038, in every practical sense, greatest 0.0041. Fundamentally least 0.0035, or so they in every practical sense thought. AMP estimate on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.0037, really most extreme 0.0040, beautiful least 0.0034, showing that MP cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.0038, certainly greatest 0.0041, least 0.0035, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.0035, genuinely most extreme 0.0037, in every way that really matters, least 0.0033 in a by and large significant manner. AMP gauge on Friday, April 14, cost $0.0037, genuinely most extreme 0.0040, sort of least 0.0034. In about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $0.0035, especially most extreme 0.0037, sort of least 0.0033 in a significant way. AMP gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.0036, most extreme 0.0039, all things considered, least 0.0033, which truly is very critical. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.0035, truly greatest 0.0037, lovely least 0.0033, which in a real sense is very critical. AMP estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.0035, lovely most extreme 0.0037, kind of least 0.0033, exhibiting that the earlier day close, 0.0037. AMP cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.0033, extremely greatest 0.0035, lovely least 0.0031, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks AMP conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost $0.0034, sort of most extreme 0.0036, lovely least 0.0032 in every practical sense, enormous way. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.0035, kind of most extreme 0.0037, sort of least 0.0033 in an unobtrusive way. AMP estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.0033, sort of greatest $0.0035, exceptionally least $0.0031, which for the most part shows that MP cost expectation on Friday. April 21, cost $0.0033, extremely most extreme $0.0035, certainly least $0.0031 in a by and large enormous manner. AMP cost expectation on Thursday. April 27, cost $0.0033, certainly greatest $0.0035, beautiful least $0.0031, exhibiting that in about 14 days AMP cost forecast on Monday. April 17, cost $0.0035, truly most extreme $0.0037, sort of least $0.0033, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP figure on Friday, April 28, cost $0.0033, essentially greatest $0.0035, especially least $0.0031, showing how MP cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.0033, by and large most extreme $0.0035, for the most part least $0.0031, exhibiting that in about 14 days AMP cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $0.0035, especially greatest $0.0037, genuinely least $0.0033, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.0036, genuinely greatest $0.0039, especially least $0.0033, which basically is genuinely huge. AMP estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.0035, kind of greatest $0.0037, kind of least $0.0033, which especially is very huge. USD to AMP swapping scale most certainly equivalent to 268.10 coins per $1 in a significant manner. Today, S-reach 265.25.269.54, showing that in every practical sense, reverse rate, USD to AMP, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 267.38 in an exceptionally huge way. Change for now plus 0.72, plus 0.27%, or so they by and large thought. USD to AMP cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost 263.16 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 285.71, fundamentally least 243.90. So USD to AMP cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. USD to AMP expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 270.27 coins, truly most extreme 294.12, all things considered, least 250.00, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to AMP estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 263.16 coins, most extreme 285.71, by and large least 243.90 in an unpretentious manner. USD to AMP